Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach about the Mongo DB. How to install the Mongo DB, I already taught. After that, how to install the RoboMongo, I already taught. Those who are not watched my video, I attached the video description below. How to install the MongoDB and how to install the MongoDB GUI application, which called as RoboMongo. It is much easier to do the SQL statement. Okay, so here MongoDB is a NoSQL. Okay, this is a NoSQL. Okay, SQL it has entities. Here entity relationship all the stuff are there, but here there is no entity relationship. So here, so let's how to create the database. So once you open the RoboMongo, if you connect it will be the connection like this. If you are connected, it will be connected. Okay, it's already connected. This is the default. This is the configuration defaultly created. This is the database which I created. So I'm going to create the new database. How to create the database is click on this server, right click, create database. Here I'm going to give any database name. So I'm going to create the database name is Office. So Office. Hit create button, select the database, click on this expand it. It's a collection. What is the things are inside the collection is tables. So how to create the tables? Right click, create collection. Here I'm going to create the table as employee. I'm going to create the table as employee. Click create button. Now if you expand it, employee table has been created successfully. Now right click, view documents. Here you will be able to see this is the syntax. Okay, this is the SQL statement you have to write. Okay, so I'm not going to add any records here, so I just close it, right click, I'm going to add the record. So insert document. Here I'm going to, this is the all the stuff are there in MongoDB. It's a JSON format. So how to insert the record? So we have to write name. This is the JSON format. Name. So write like this. What's the name you have to write? John. So one person. Comma, age 35, comma, salary 30,000. Okay, so if you click save button, I just copy this one, click save button. Here you can see here if you view the document, here there will be the one record will be there, John, age and salary. It will be saved in one record. Okay, this ID will be defaultly created here, this one. Okay, so it's one record added successfully. Now if you want to add another record, so how to add another record? Select this one, select the table, right click, insert document. I just paste it over here, this one. I'm going to save the same thing. You have to change the name. Once you did it, you have to just change the name here. It's a basic practice. This is how we have worked with the MongoDB. The Mongo is very much easier to as a MongoDB. If you want to practice with the MongoDB, it's much easier. Okay, right? So this is the best for GUI, MongoDB GUI. Okay, so here I'm changing this one as a and 3640, so salary 40, right? Save. Again I'm going to add another record, insert this one, Peter 25 50 salary 50. Okay, I have added 3 records. So you just right click, view documents, you can see 3 records are there. Okay, this is how we have answered the record. Very simply I just insert the record. You just if you do in SQL, how to do is right click, insert, there will be the rows, you can insert it. This how you have to add it into the JSON format. That's how we have to insert the record. Now first you can see here default it will created this one. You can see this DB get collection employee find. You have to see the open curly bracket and close bracket. What is mean by this is, okay, this is nothing but this. This is nothing but this. select. If you are writing the SQL, how to write? I want to load all the SQL column employee details. So how to load? Select all from employee. Okay. So this is nothing but this. Okay, this is nothing but this. Okay, select all from this. Okay, you have to write like this in Mongo DB. So this is how we have to load all the employee details. Fine. Okay, select get collection. Get all the collection from which table? Employee table. Find. If you are giving nothing here, it getting all the records from the table. It's getting all the records from the table. If you find me, if you have where name equal John, if you write like this, it will be finding something like in SQL where name equal John, you are find something. Okay, here you are not finding anything else. It will be getting all the records from the employee table. If you are finding, how to find this one? You are right here. Name colon John. John. Name colon John. John. Okay, so here I need the person who name as John. I want to find the record. So the person whose name become John, I want to find the record. Click search here. This record is there. It's John. Only it's execute that particular record only. Okay, it will be display that particular record only. If you have run this state, very simple, right? Okay. Now I want to display two person details. Okay, so we have to use AND. Okay, I want to search from two employees records. One is John, another one is Peter. In SQL, how to search? We have to use AND. Where AND, we have to use AND and another one. So here we simply you have to write comma. Now I'm going to check two statement. Okay, so AND, you have to use AND. How to use AND? Here it's a person John, and you have to check both condition. So it using both conditions should be true, it will be work. So the person name as John and his age become 35. Only the condition true, it will be getting the person name here. It will work. This is how you have to select this one. If it is write the same code in SQL outright, select all from employee where name equal John and age equal 35. The same thing you have to write here. Comma, you have to write the simple age colon 35. This is how you have to check both conditions. Okay, this is the AND operators work. Both condition true, it will work. Okay, now you imagine how to work with the or. One condition true, it will be work. So how to use the or operators? It's very simple. Here I have written so in the notepad, so easy to understand. So you have to write John name John 35 or 30 right. You have to use it the simple collection. You have to do it here. First here let's try out this. So here get collection, our table name is employee, fine. Here or if the employee name become John or 30. Okay, if one of the condition is true, it will work. Okay, what is the purpose of AND operators? Both conditions should be true, only works. But apart from the OR operators, either this condition is true, it works. If either this condition is true, this condition is false, it will work. Okay, either one condition is true, it will work. Okay, so let's copy this one. This code, I just copy this one, paste inside this find. Okay, now let's execute the code. It will work here, only one record. So here I'll be just execute the program. Sorry,
So you execute it. There are 3 records are there. If you are paste inside the code or operators, how to work here? This one condition is true, it will work. Okay, if it is John, spelling mistakes, there is no records are there. Okay, if one record is there, it's work. John, if your record is 35, this one condition is true. John name is not correct, but the 35 is correct, it will work. Okay, so things. Okay, so or operators, or we have tried to put the JSON array. You have to write like this here, this JSON array. Simply you have to format it. You have to easily understand. If you have format it, simply easily understand what I going on. Okay, so here it's open it and close it. Say array bracket, but here is a bracket. Okay, so here it will work like this. Here it will be close it here, not here. This one here. Simply it's called close it. Okay, perfect. This bracket is starting closing. This is OR operators. Put OR operator. Either this condition or this condition true, it will work.
After that, I am going to do it as a insert code. Insert. For operators, I already you have idea. Either this condition or this condition true, it will work. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay. Both condition is we no need a both condition true. Only either this or this. But AND operators the different, and both conditions should be true. It will work. Keep in your mind while you work with it. Okay, right. Now let's look at the concept of insert code. How the insert query works in SQL? Insert into your table name. After that, you have to specify the column names, values. What is the value you are going to insert? The same thing here. This is your table name. Insert. Here you have to write the JSON format. Like earlier, as I saw you earlier. How to insert the record? The same thing. Name, you have to specify the name. Age, colon, specify the age. Course, colon, this one. The same thing you have to write like this here. So how to write like this? Let's switch back to our RoboMongo. This is a code. Find, instead of find, we have to write insert. Inside the bracket, I'm going to write name. You have to write like this. What? John. Any name. I'm going to write this one as a Ravi, comma, age 55, comma, salary 25,000. That's it. Hit execute button, insert one record. Okay, very simple. Okay, your table name, your insert, very simple. You write the insert, you have to write like this. Simple JSON format, you have to write the record will be inserted. This is how you have to write the insert query. Okay, this is your table column names you have to write. This is the data which you going to insert into your table. Right? Keep in your mind. Now I'm going to teach about the update part. So how to update the record? Okay, how to update the record? So here the table name, update command. Here this one should be the name Raja. Set in SQL outright update your table name records. Set ID, what is the ID you are getting, or name equal Raja, the particular row you have to update it. Okay, get the value. Okay, the same thing here. I'm not specifying the ID here. You can, if you want, you can specify the ID. Your name, simple, easily you have to take the name Raja. Set the particular name Raja. Set row, I'm going to update these two records. Age, I'm going to change as Python. Sorry, here I'm going to change it as age, different age. So this one salary I'm going to give the different one. So here the same code I just copied back to our this one. Okay, let's put it over here. Right. So here inside out here write update. You have to put it like this. You have to write like this. Then only you have to format it. You can easily understand what's thing going on. otherwise you won't understand that. So name, set, name is Raja, this one should be the age, I'm going to write as Raja, this one should be the, we are Ravi, finally we are insert record as Ravi, that's Ravi, age, I'm going to change that 65, 45, I'm going to change the salary 48,000. Right. First, let's have a look whether it's working fine or not. Hit record updated successfully. First, you have to check it. Ravi 45. It's working perfectly well. What I did here is employee name, employee update, name Ravi. This person record I'm going to update it. So set what are the columns are there, age and salary columns are there. What is the value you are inserting? It will be replacing this values. Age it will be replacing this. If you run this command, what is salary is there in the particular column, it is replacing this salary. If you update this column of this table. Okay, the same thing we have did it as SQL. Okay, so, the same thing. The non-SQL means the Mongo query, you have to update the record look like this. Don't worry about all the source code I provide in my website, you will be able to download it. Right. Now we so far over the insert part, update part, search part. Search we already did two things. AND operator using AND operators and OR operators. The finally I'm going to discuss about the remove. Remove means how to delete the record. We already got how to update the record and insert the record and find the record and how to delete the record. Very simple. How to view the record, all the stuff we taught. Okay. So how to delete the record? It's very simple. Here this one find here instead of that find you have to write remove. So write remove. What is the name you are going to remove? I'm going to remove T10. So how to write you have to write name. So get the record name Ravi. So Ravina Peter. I'm going to write Peter. If you write like this, what happens is you have to put the what is the you have to put it here. You are running the function as remove. So entire row will be removed. What is the name you are searching? Peter, where the picture is, it will be searching. Peter is here. First you have to check, go here. But it's not there. It's coming here. This third one is there. Entire row it has been deleted. When you run it. So what is their name? Okay, but is something here. Okay. What was there? Records name Peter. What is okay? There's no okay. Now let's check. Right click, view documents. It's not really that Peter. Okay, so let's again we have to write remove. What is the problem? The command. Simply write. I'm going to write this Peter name. Right, Peter is the person who I'm going to delete. Okay, why not? Okay, there is some mistake with them. It's removed. Now let's right click and visit. Okay, it's go. If there is any mistake, you just align. If you align it, you simply understand the error. What is the error is there? Okay, that's why I align it. Okay. Okay, if you just copy and run the code from the internet, it not work. Okay. You have to understand and write it. It will be work. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you will leave me. I hope you understand how to write the NoSQL Mongo DB SQL commands. Thank you for watching.